Top plants to repel mosquitoes and flies. As in many other cases, plant solution is the best solution. In this clip, we'll introduce several plants renowned for their ability to repel mosquitoes and flies, offering you a natural defense against these pesky insects. 1. Citronella grass. This plant is well known for its mosquito-repelling properties. The citronella oil in the leaves is what gives it its strong, lemony scent that mosquitoes find unpleasant. It's a low-maintenance plant that does best in large planters. 2. Similar to citronella grass, lemongrass also contains citronella oil, which is known for its mosquito-repellent properties. Planting lemongrass in your garden or using it in cooking can help deter mosquitoes and flies. 3. Marigolds. These brightly colored annual flowers are not only easy to grow, but also effective in deterring mosquitoes and flies. They emit a strong smell that these pests dislike. Marigolds are also a popular companion plant in vegetable gardens as they help to deter other unwanted insects. 4. Lavender. This fragrant herb has a beautiful floral scent that humans love, but mosquitoes find offensive. Lavender is a hardy perennial that can tolerate hot sun and dry conditions, making it a perfect choice for sunny patios or walkways. 5. Basil. This popular culinary herb not only adds flavor to your food, but also helps to keep flies at bay. The strong scent of basil is a natural fly repellent. 6. Mint. Mint is another great option for deterring flies. The strong, minty scent of the leaves is effective in repelling these pests. Mint is a fast-growing plant that can be easily grown in pots or in the ground. 7. Catnip. The oil from catnip has been shown to be more than 10 times as effective at repelling mosquitoes as DEET. While it may attract your feline friends, it will definitely keep the mosquitoes away. It's important to note that while these plants can help to deter mosquitoes and flies, they are not a foolproof solution. For best results, consider planting a variety of these repellent plants around your patio or outdoor seating area. You can also combine these natural methods with other mosquito control measures, such as eliminating standing water around your home and using mosquito dunks in bird baths and ponds.